Okay, so we just got this is the Justin Gallon truck.
It's like it has Hot Wheels in it.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna look in it and we're gonna see what's inside
I can fit Hot Wheels.
Yeah. So inside this box you have 10 of this and then you have this is like the truck, okay? And we also have some Hot Wheels.
Yeah, I love Hot Wheels.
So this truck, it's a very good and creative toy, and it also has car launchers that you'll be able to see. It actually helps improve coordination, high handheld coordination for children, and you can also use it for creativity for the child to play around with. So if you fill out all the holes with those 5 foam darts, you'll be able to pull it out. So we're going to demonstrate how you pull it out. So this toy is made from very good high quality plastic that conforms to CPSIA standards. The surface is smooth, soft, and it's really, really a cute toy. So we're going to continue playing with it and show you more things that it can do. Wow!
That wasn't far.
That was fun.
That was pretty
Good
far.
job. I love the fact that it also comes with all these cars that it can play with, and it can use them when it's playing with the truck, and it can also use them all by itself. So that is a great addition. So overall, this is a toy that I know is going to have so much fun playing with, so much fun with it. Look at all those cars. So yeah, but we love this.